Want to stop your Android phone from sharing your phone number with other apps? In this video, I'll show you how to disable phone number sharing on Android and improve your privacy with just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Google. This is where you'll find various Google services and privacy options connected to your device. Next, tap on All Services to view the complete list of available settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Autofill and Password section. Under this category, look for the option called Phone Number Sharing and tap on it. Here, you'll see a toggle that allows your phone number to be shared with supported apps to help with sign-ins and account verification. If you'd rather keep your phone number private, simply turn this toggle off. That's it. Once this feature is disabled, your Android device will no longer share your phone number with compatible apps through Google's phone number sharing service. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more Android privacy tips, security settings guides, and easy step-by-step tutorials.